Now, IBB comes out to actually put an end to a very old, long debate once more about the idea of an Igbo coup. The Igbo coup was an invention. It was just a narrative that actually was invented by the people who control the media to victimize the Igbos. And he has once more come out to debunk that in the book he launched, his autobiography, where he made it very clear that the coup was never an Igbo coup. And even if other Igbos were killed, and even how could it be, like Ojukwu said, how could it be an Igbo coup when the people who actually stopped the coup was Agiorinsi and Odumegwu Ojukwu? Ojukwu was commanding the Kano battalion, and the other guy was the highest person in the military, which is Johnson Agiorinsi. So it is anti-logic to believe that the Igbos wanted to had a consensus to have a coup, and then at the end of the day, the Igbos were the one who actually stopped the coup. It doesn't make any sense. IBB has come out to say it, and it's not surprising to any student of history who has gone through the pages of history of Nigeria. There's this consensus among all the coup plotters. Even Ademoyega himself said that the idea of the coup was to release Awolowo from the Calabar prison. This is something that has been said by almost all the coup plotters who have written, have been interviewed. No one has actually been able to dispute that. The Bengbuli and all those ones said it. I remember Awolowo was in prison at that particular time, where he was sentenced to 10 years imprisonment for trying to overthrow a civilian government. That is just it. That's just revelation of, and a lot of things in Nigeria does not actually, is the more you look, the less you see. Imagine that history was removed from the Nigerian curriculum.